going to show you how to add liquid dish detergent to a dishwasher. Right here, I have my dishwasher already loaded up. It's ready to get going. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the liquid dishwasher detergent. This is made by a company called Cascade. This is their advanced power flavor. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this detergent and I'm going to fill it in its cup. So there's 2 cups. This should be open right here. Let me go ahead and open that up. So this is the main cup. So no majority of your washes, you should just fill up the main cup. But there's also a pre-wash cup. So say for instance, you have really dirty dishes and you want that extra power that the detergent can give with a pre-wash and a normal wash. You add some in the pre-wash. So I'm going to go ahead and add some. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to add this to the main cup like that. All right, see it, add some in the main cup. And then I'm going to add some into the pre-wash. All right. So once I add this up, I'm going to sit this back down, Cascade. I'm going to come back down here, and then I'm going to go ahead and shut the main cup. And the pre-wash is actually going to drip down there, and it's going to be ready to wash with the pre-wash. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up. I already have my settings for my dishwasher on. I'm going to go ahead and start it. And that's how you add liquid dishwasher detergent. Let me know if you have any questions.